think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi guys, good morning. And today is Wednesday and past na ng 11, maybe 11:45 na ng umaga. And then we are going to grocery with my partner. So ayan guys, see you later inside the grocery. Welcome back to my channel. Alis na kami. So ayan. It's sunny day today, guys. Buti na lang uminit after a week. We have been rain.
Yeah.
Almost a week. And then a little bit cloudy. Kasi guys, makikita nyo naman yung langit. Oh. Diba? Maano pa rin, maula. Pero okay lang kasi nagpapakita ng haring araw. So ayan. Ito guys ang another almost moving to grocery and also going to my daughter's school. Kasi shortcut dito guys, medyo malapit-lapit siya compared to the other one. So ayan, more farm. Ganda ng ang paligid. Napaka-green. Kasi magsa-summer na. Summer pero umuulan pa rin. Okay, see you guys later inside the store. Bye for now. Sa aming favorite na grocery, Tom Tom. Kararating lang namin. Buti na lang uminit today. Another vlog today. Is another day, is another vlog. So ayan. Ay, nako. Sana makakita ako ng gusto kong halaman. Wala ng flowers. Ganda. Kuha tayo ng card. Card. Oh, may mangga. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
So, ayan guys. Mga ready to cook na lang yan. Easy way. Konting init-init na lang yan. And then, this is bread station. Ayun ang aking Diyosawa partner na namimili ng kanyang cookies. And then, ito. Napili na ako ng donut. Tapos, chicken. Ready to eat na lang yan. Fried okra and beans. Green beans. So, ayan. Marami silang kung sa pagpipilian. Wow. Kaya lang guys, alam nyo ba, hindi ako masyadong nagkakain ng mga cookies dito kasi sobrang tatamis. Malawak to guys. Tong-tong. So, grocery. Malapit lang doon sa aming bahay. So, ayan. Ayan ang bakery station. Ito naman ang kitchen. So, namin pinili yung chicken. And then, ayun ang entrance. Ayun ang Starbucks sa gitna. Sa kabila ng cashier. And then, itong donut namin. So, puro matatamis na naman. 6 Canuto. Yari na naman. Puro matatamis. So, ayan guys. Si Pancit Canton nakita ko. Buti na lang meron silang stocks. Kaya lang 2 kinds. Ito kukunin ko. Okay, let's go na. Grocery pa mo. At least nakita ko na si Pancit Canton. So, ayan. Mamaya, puno na to guys. Do we need coffee? Okay. Coke Zero.
Then maybe 2.
Yeah.
Probably, yeah.
So, ayan guys, mamaya na lang. Okay guys, ito yung nabili kong plants. $21. Pwede siya sa loob ng bahay, di ba? So ayan guys, I'm going to end of my vlog because we are going to pay now. Thank you for watching and I hope you like this video. Like and share lang mga guys. Bye!
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.